Yo, 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 yo. Wake up, good morning. Welcome to another Power Praise Palace, man, this beautiful Thursday morning. Man, what a day yesterday in the market, you know. Let's take a look at the chart. As you can see, SPY continued on this trend. Start out, quick little run up, 691.73. And then we had to pull back all the way down to 686.04. Then once it touched the bottom, it started to work its way back up to end up the day at 690. So it was very interesting how everything ended up. But so it started out quick up 691.72. Then it pulled back. So that was very, very, very interesting. So if you play the chart, you should have did pretty well on the put side, and then on the other side, you probably could have played it back up, but you'd had to play it back up. So yesterday we was looking for a long above 693.18. We never got there, so we shouldn't have played over there. But was looking for a rejection short at around the 692, 693.20 range. It went up towards there, but it never got there with a stop above 693. But we did touch all these areas coming back down, and we actually went past those areas. So if you played the puts, then you should have been okay. So we'll take that any day of the week. So let's look at the chart right now. You can see it did move up this morning. It started out 689.97, and it has moved up to the 693.20 area, pulled back. So we'll see how that holds up for now. So let's look at the chart for today and see what we can do with it. Alright. So for today, if SPY breaks and hold above 693.20, I'm looking for a long entry between 693.30 and 693.65, with my stop going below 620, 692.60. Because if price falls back in that area, then it'll be, where the breakout, the attempted breakout failed at. My target on the upside will be 694.80, 696.10, and 697.60. So that's what we'll be looking at there. Closing in on that 700. One of our members keep saying, our fearless leader says we're gonna hit 700 before anything major happens again. We're gonna see how that goes. But if SPY pushes into that 693, 693.30 and stalls out, then I'll be looking for a rejection short. My stop going above 693.90, downside target 692.20, 691.40, and 690.30. And that's if it goes up and then it rejects out of that area. So that's what we'll be doing, and we'll be looking for again a good strong candle, 5-minute candle, because that's what I trade off of, either in above 1 hour zones or below 1 hour zones. A strong candle before we jump in there and trade that. And we're gonna keep our stop losses real tight, and we're just gonna play what we see. Respect our levels. If SPY rejects or pulls back, then we're gonna respect that, and then we're gonna keep working. And that's how we're gonna do it over here at Power Play. So now for today, that's your SPY trade plan. We're gonna be bullish above 693.20. We're gonna be bearish if we below 691.72, and then we're gonna look at everything in between that as it's just really a setup for us to see how it plays out. And then we're gonna trade the levels. Be careful, stay disciplined, take your profit on the way up or down if you're playing the contracts, and then do what you can to stay safe and be profitable, man. The market can take you out in a hurry if you're playing with it, so don't play with it. Respect your stop losses, get in and out. And that's not financial advice, it's just ideas from a person who trade every day. Now, if anything in this video help you, you know, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to, come over and join Power Plays as our group starting to continue to grow. Come on in and trade with us during the day and see how, if you want to learn, it's a good place to learn. We go over what we talking about during the day, and even though we do this video, and there's a lot more that we do, so come on in and check it out, man. Power Plays, man. That's your Power Plays Palace for the day. May you have a good day. Get happy and get trading.